Alright, now we're going to solve some equations with fractions. So I got x divided by 50 for x equals 1/8. So where you see the x, you're going to substitute in the 1/8. So that's going to be 1/8 divided by 50. Make 50 a fraction by putting it over 1. And then I'm going to do my keep, change, flip. So 1/8 times 1 over 50. Nothing to simplify here, so 1 times 1 is 1. 8 times 5 is 40, and then add that 0, so that would be 400. So my answer there would be 1/400. Alright, so now I have 4/7 x equals 14, so that's 4/7 times x, so the opposite of multiplying would be dividing. So I'm going to divide by 4/7. So change this to be 14 over 1, to keep, change, flip. So that'd be 14 over 1 times 7 over 4. I can reduce before I multiply here by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then I can multiply. 7 times 7 is 49. 1 times 2 is 2. And 2 will go into 49 24 times, which is 48. And 49 minus 48 gives us 1 left over 2. So x equals 24 and 1/2. Alright, now x divided by 3/4 equals 5/8. So the opposite of dividing by 3/4 will be multiplying by 3/4. I'm going to do times 3/4. So I'm going to be left with x equals, nothing I can simplify there, so 5 times 3 is 15. 8 times 4 is 32. So just remember, when you're solving equations, you got to do the opposite. Alright, one more. So 5/6 divided by x equals 6. So this is like the last one we did, but it's a little bit different because we're dividing by the x. So the opposite of dividing by x would be multiplying by x. See how having that x, it's kind of confusing. So let's rewrite that. We'll use this multiplication sign. So we'd end up with 5/6 equals 6x. So now to solve it, we got to divide by whatever that x is, or whatever numbers with that x, which is the 6. So we're going to divide by 6. So it's going to be 5/6 divided by 6. So let me pull that off to the side so it looks a little cleaner. So I'm going to put 6 over 1, and then do keep, change, flip. So that'd be 5/6 times 1 over 6. Nothing to simplify there, so 1 times 5 is 5, 6 times 6 is 36, so x equals 5 over 36. So there's just one extra step when you have the division of the variable, and that's to multiply the variable and then solve it.